Okay. What I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to show you guys what you guys need to do in order to get rid of some gnats. I get a lot of gnats and they're nasty. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing a lot of this little cups with water. So what you're going to do is you're going to need a cup with a little bit of water, some Dawn, and some apple cider vinegar. And then you're going to need some saran wrap for the top, and then some rubber band or something that you could put the saran wrap around it. So this is what we're going to do. I already have the water in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pour some apple cider vinegar in the cup. So let's go ahead and do that. My daughter's here helping me. So
how much do I put?
Go ahead, I'll tell you. So you just make sure that it's a little bit more of vinegar than water. Okay, so that's plenty, Mom. And then what you're going to do is you're also going to put some drops of that Dawn. So I would say probably about three to four drops. So that way it keeps, that's more than what she needed, but that's fine. Basically what the soap does, it keeps the gnats from coming back up, escaping. I don't know what it is with the cider vinegar, but they're very attracted to this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and open the saran wrap, and then we're going to put it on top of this. So what I did basically, was I took some of those Dasani cups, not cups, but the water bottles, and what I did was I just cut them in half, took the top off, so that way I could have those. Or you could also go to the grocery store and you could also buy some cups, and I would use the clear cups, or if you have some glass glass cups, and you could use that. And the reason I'm using these is because they're much easier. You could just throw them away once they get a lot of those, not full, but you'll see that you'll catch a lot of them. But on this one, I'm going to show you guys that it doesn't have anything. So we're going to leave it for what, at least 3 days or 2 days to see. I'll show you guys back in 3 days what it looks like and how many we actually caught. So what she's going to do is she's going to go ahead and put that on top of it.
Make sure it's really covered. And
then you're going to put it like really tight. So I'm helping her to keep it tight. So there you go. And then you're just going to put a rubber band on top of it. So,
okay.
So there you go.
Oh, smoke came out. Did you see that?
So what you're going to do is you're going to cut the excess
Like in the middle?
Plastic. And then what you're going to do is actually, you want to take something like a pen or something that you can make a little hole on the top of it. You don't want to make it really big. You don't want to make it really big, so that way they don't escape. So what we're gonna do is, see this? I'm just gonna go ahead and just make hold them up, hold the thing. I'm just gonna go ahead and just poke through it. There you go. So that created a little hole. So what that hole does is actually since the apple cider vinegar has a strong smell to it, that smell attracts them. So they fly all around it, and once they find the entrance to the little hole, they go in through there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna go ahead, and what I usually do is I just leave it all over my counters, because mainly that's where they're at. And I have looked all over the place to see where they're coming from, but I am not sure. We take everything out of the counters. I have put bleach. I have done a lot of stuff to get rid of them, but it seems that nothing's helping. But I noticed that only happens when it's getting close to winter. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and set these somewhere where they're not that visible, but it's visible where they could smell it. So you could put it on top of a microwave, or you could just set it on the counter. So I will show you guys in 3 days what it looks like. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and cut the excess plastic with some scissors. So that way I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. See, right now there's nothing on there.